wonderful morning to my dear little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and staying safe at your home and enjoying all the activities of summer camp. I am Chiki from St. Xavier High School, Bizigul NTPC, welcoming you to another day of your summer camp 2021. This summer camp is not only for your fun and enjoyment, but also for learning new skills, to be creative and developing yourself in a better way. Tell me one thing, do you love magic? What a silly question. Of course you do. I also love magic. So let us do some magics with the art of our fingers. What is this? A piece of paper. No. Now I am going to cover this paper with the help of a plate. Now I am gonna do magic. Magic. Oh my god, it's a butterfly. Isn't it so beautiful? So, we love the magic of turning a piece of paper into something useful or a toy or pretty decoration. No use of glue, no scissors. So what is that magic? That magic is called origami. So origami is a Japanese word. Ori means to fold and kami means paper. Origami is the art of folding paper into decorative shapes and figures. Origami is fascinating that one square of paper can be turned into so many things. But not only origami is for kids' fun only, but there are so many huge educational benefits of origami for kids and adults alike. Origami is good for you as it develops your eye-hand coordination, maths reasoning, attention skills. Origami also allows you to develop your fine motor skills and concentration skills. And some social aspects of origami are learning new culture and working together, teaching each other and taking pride of your own work. So let us do some beautiful and easy origami in this class. Let's get started. So to make origami, we need some color papers like this. I have taken here only the square shaped paper. You also take like this. Square shaped color paper, some sketch pen and a small knife to smoothen the paper. So first let us make a beautiful butterfly from the paper. See, this is square shaped paper. Now fold this paper into diagonally half. Again diagonally half, fold into diagonally half. Then fold in this way horizontally half. Okay. Now again fold in this way. Now push this fold inside. Now find the center here. Then fold from here and make a crease. Then in this way fold other side also. Now this part, take this part up to this, fold it. Okay, now fold in this way that it will sit here. So our beautiful butterfly is ready. How is it? I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful butterfly. Now let us make a beautiful tulip flower like this. So to make this tulip, we need 2 pieces of square paper. First, let us make the flower. Here also, fold the square paper into diagonally half. Then smoothen the paper. Then find out the center of this paper. Just to fold here, and yes, here is the center. Now fold in this way. On the other side also fold like this. Okay, now press with the help of the knife. Now here, fold here inward. Then on the other side also fold in this way. So our flower is ready. Now let us make the leaves. So to make leaves, I have taken a green colored paper. Here also fold the paper diagonally into half. Then fold up to the center crease in this way. Okay, on the other side also do the same. Okay, now do the same process here also. do the same also in the other side, and with the help of this knife, okay, now fold here up to this center crease with the same process. Do it carefully. After folding, then do this also on the other side. Okay, now fold from the middle here. Okay, now from the center, from the middle, fold like this. In this way. Now here we need scissor for a while to cut this. Cut here. Now put this inside the flower. Okay, so our beautiful tulip is ready now. How is it? This one is our small tulip, and here is the butterfly. I hope you have enjoyed making these two origamis. So let us make some animals origami. They are very easy to make. Let's start. Can you see this one? A cute cat? No. So let us make this cat's origami. To make this cat, fold this paper diagonally into half. These are very easy to do. Anyone can do this origami. Now fold from here in this way, then from here in this way. Now fold from Now let us draw the mouth and eyes of this eye. Draw round eyes. Then fill the black color You can use black pen also. Here I am using a black sketch pen. Then draw the whiskers. So our origami of cat is ready. Now let us make a dog. See this one, isn't it cute? So for this you need a square shape paper. Fold this diagonally into half. All the process are literally same. Okay. The process we followed to make the cat, the same process here also we will follow. Fold here. Then here, little bit forward. Okay. Now fold little bit in this way. Now let us draw the eyes and mouths. So draw here big round eyes. Then fill the color. Then using a red sketch pen, draw the mouth. Yes, so our origami of dog is ready. Now let us make a fox. See, so to make a fox, use the same square paper and fold the paper diagonally into half. Then this one should touch here and fold it again. Now here, fold it here in this way, the other side also in the same process. Using a black pen, Draw the eyes. Our fox is ready. Now let us make a fish. Where do the fish live? In water. No. Do the same process. Fold the paper diagonally into half. Then do the same process in the other half. Fold the paper into diagonally half. Sorry. Then fold the paper horizontally half. Do the same process again. Now fold in this way. Okay. Hold these two folds and crisscross like this, so that we can form the tail of the fish. Okay. Done. Now let us draw the eyes, mouth and scales of the fish. Then draw the mouth and some scales. So our fish is ready. How is it? Now let us make a cute mouse. So for this we need a square sheet paper. Here also do the same thing. Fold the paper diagonally into half. Then fold from here. Up to this. Okay. Then fold again. Little bit push inward. Okay. Now let us draw the eyes of mouse. then the ear. Okay, so our mouse is ready. Origami is a whole new and welcoming world, but it does require some practice. Do practice and create your own varieties of origami. Do share your videos with us. Practice it. Thank you. Take care.